I'm Buck Mustard. The great outdoors may be one of the scariest places to find yourself alone without the epic skill sets for survival. These are Buck Mustard's 5. Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the other one. Most important tips for staying alive. Survival tip 1. Know your foliage. This is the best foliage. This is good fucking foliage. Buck Mustard's most important tip number 2. Total agility. Oh my God. Buck Mustard's most important tip number 3. Self-defense. Buck Mustard survival tip number 4. Learn to invent fire without modern appliances. Step 1. Friction. Step 2. Fire. Buck Mustard's most important survival tip number 5. Always test for clean drinking water. Let's test this water for harmful pathogens. You know how sneaky they can be. Exactly as I suspected, no pathogens. Good thing I checked. Fence much? Yeah. Pretty thick. This one time, someone said, "Hey, Buck Mustard, it's 9 p.m. I said, "Shut the fuck up and tell me what it is in Mountain Standard Time." One vital thing to know in the outdoors is the weather. Learn to read the sky. Uh-oh. Those are called clouds. If you'd like to learn more about the hundreds, nay, thousands of survival skills, try the internet. I'm Buck Mustard. And my last name's a condiment.